Did you know your phone number has a default setting that allow any app to access certain information? Yes, any app, no exceptions. In some cases, it might be helpful, like when you get ads for products you're actually interested in. But what if someone wants to misuse that access? In this video, I'll show you how to change this setting and protect your privacy. But first, please subscribe this channel. It really helps. For step 1, go on your setting, scroll down to Google section and hit the all services. After that, scroll down to autofill and password section. This is autofill and password section. Hit the phone number sharing. This setting lets Google share your contact info with third parties when requested, and since not all apps are trustworthy, it's better to turn this off. Hit this button and turn this off. For second step, let's block access through websites as well. Hit the back, and hit the back. Go on Google Chrome, tap on three dots, tap on setting, and scroll down a little bit, tap on addresses and more. This option saves data, like your phone number. If you register on a website, Chrome stores that number, and next time it might autofill your number on a different website. To stay safe, turn this off too. Again, hit this button and turn off. We are not done yet. Let's secure your contact info further. For third step, go back to your phone setting and search Permission Manager. Hit the Permission Manager, and after that, go on Contacts. Here you will see a list of apps that have access to your contacts, which means they can see your phone numbers. While some apps may need this, but most of them don't. For example, your gallery apps shouldn't need access to contacts. Remove access from any app that doesn't really need it. After this, you can do the same for call logs. Just remove permissions from unnecessary apps. Hit back, and go on call logs. For example, Telegram. Don't allow. If this video was helpful for you, you will probably enjoy the 2 videos popping up on your screen right now. Make sure to watch those too. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.